Which full-face helmet is actually good for beginners? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Alboa MD813 Helmet. First up is the Alboa MD813 full-face motorcycle helmet. At just $59.99, it caught my eye with its sleek, glossy black finish and solid 4.5-star rating from over 900 reviews. If you want a lightweight helmet that doesn't skimp on safety, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this helmet is a great pick for you. The ultra-lightweight ABS shell combined with a multi-density EPS liner ensures you're protected without feeling weighed down. Plus, it has multiple vents for ventilation, making rides more comfortable, especially on warmer days. The removable and washable liner helps keep things fresh, which is huge if you're out riding often. This helmet has been popular, with over 100 sold just last month, showing that many riders trust it. Here's the thing though, if you're in between sizes, I'd recommend going a size up for a more comfortable fit. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out and want a dependable, budget-friendly helmet. Skip this one if you're looking for something with advanced features, but for the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the sizing issue is a concern for you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, JQF Gear WS607 Helmet. Next up is the JQF Gear WS607 full-face helmet, priced at $66.95. With a slightly higher rating of 4.6 stars from 1,100 reviews, I was intrigued to see what makes this one stand out. If safety is your top priority, this helmet deserves a closer look. This means it's built for durability while keeping you safe on the road. The multiple vents are designed to provide optimal air circulation, so whether you're cruising in the summer heat or dealing with winter chills, you're covered. Oh, and it comes with options for both clear and tinted visors, which is great for varying light conditions. With over 50 sold in just the last month, it's clear that others are finding value in it too. However, some users noted that the chin strap felt a bit flimsy. Now, I'll be real with you, while that's a valid concern, I found it to be perfectly functional and comfortable for regular use. If you're a beginner, this helmet is a good pick without being too overwhelming. This helmet is perfect for you if safety and comfort are your main concerns. Skip this one if you need a more robust feature set or if you're specifically looking for advanced designs. For the price, it's a decent entry-level option. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a complete riding kit. Product number 3, XFMT Kids Helmet. Coming in at number 3 is the XFMT Kids Dirt Bike Helmet, retailing for $54.99. This helmet really surprised me with a solid 4.7-star rating from over 13,300 reviews. If you're looking for a helmet for your young rider, this is an excellent choice. This helmet is DOT certified, which means it meets strict safety standards. Weighing just 1030 grams, it's designed to be ultralight, so your child won't feel burdened while riding. Its 3 ventilation points are strategically placed to keep airflow consistent, minimizing wind noise and ensuring comfort during hot days. Plus, it comes with a full kit including goggles and gloves, making it a fantastic gift. With sales skyrocketing, you can see that parents trust this helmet. However, some parents mention the fit isn't perfect for all head shapes. Here's the thing, while that's important to consider, the adjustable strap helps accommodate a range of sizes, making it quite adaptable. It may not fit every child perfectly, but it's a great starter helmet. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable helmet for kids just getting into riding. Skip this one if you're looking for an adult-sized option. For the value it offers, it's hard to beat. Now, if you're after something more tailored for adults, the next helmet might just be what you need. Product number 4, Alboa AUT801 Helmet. Next on the list is the Alboa AUT801 full-face helmet, priced at $59.99. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 577 reviews, this helmet caught my attention for its lightweight design. If comfort and safety are high on your list, this helmet is worth a serious look. The dual visor system includes a colorful visor for day rides and a clear one for night, ensuring you have great visibility anytime. The multiple vents enhance airflow, which is crucial during those long hot rides, and the removable liner means you can keep it fresh and clean. It sold quite well with over 100 units moving last month, indicating its popularity among riders. On the downside, some users mentioned wind noise can be an issue. Here's my thought: while it's true, using earplugs or a good set of headphones can really help with that, so it's not a deal breaker. This helmet is perfect for you if you want a balance of comfort and safety without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're sensitive to noise, but overall, it's a great value. Now, if you want something that's more tailored for off-road adventures, let's check out the next option. Product number 5, ILM 128S Helmet. Finally, we have the ILM Adult Dirt Bike Helmet, priced at $69.99. With an impressive 4.6-star rating from 3,600 reviews, I was excited to see how this one performs. If you're into dirt biking, this could be your go-to helmet. The ILM model is DOT certified and features a lightweight ABS shell with a high-density EPS liner. The sleek aerodynamic design is made for speed, with front and back vents to maximize airflow, keeping you cool while you ride. The detachable visor is a nice touch, allowing you to customize your setup based on conditions. With solid sales numbers, it's evident that many riders appreciate this helmet. However, some riders pointed out that the fit might be tight for individuals with larger heads. Here's the thing though, if you fall into that category, you may want to try it on first or opt for a size that accommodates your needs. It's a minor drawback for an otherwise solid helmet. This is a great pick if you're an off-road rider looking for protection and comfort. Skip this one if you have a larger head or if you prioritize a super relaxed fit. For the price, it's a solid investment in your riding gear. So there you have it, 5 fantastic full-face helmets for beginners. From the budget-friendly Alboa MD813 to the more specialized ILM 128S for off-road adventures, each helmet offers something unique. Your choice will really depend on your riding style and needs, but any of these helmets would be a smart pick for new riders.